Hey guys, I have a quick video for you today. One of my biggest problems with the GR Corolla has surprisingly been the volume knob. Not only is it tiny, but it's really shallow. As you can tell, it goes inward and it's just really hard to grab. And when you do grab it, your fingers will touch the glass, plastic, whatever, and get the display dirty. It's such a small deal, but as somebody who just loves having physical controls for everything, the fact that this volume knob is so tiny has pissed me off to no end. And this piece, this cutout in the display also bothers me. So what I did is what a few users have done so far is buy this part number from Toyota, 90010-23059, take a screenshot, and this is an OEM volume knob from a RAV4. Not the prettiest thing ever, but it is knurled just like the factory GR4 knob, and it's a direct fit. Now some people, especially on the Tacoma forums, have said you have to remove this black spacer, but I don't believe you have to. This works just fine without it. And luckily you also keep the factory illumination because of this ring inside. Installation is ridiculously easy. Just grab the stock knob, pop it off, and you can see the stock shaft is keyed just like this. So line it up as best you can and push it on. Push all the way and you have a substantially bigger volume knob. Again, not the prettiest thing ever, but it also covers that cutout pretty well. And when you grab it, it's big enough that you don't have to touch the display whatsoever, so it keeps your display cleaner. It's made a massive difference in terms of usability for me. It might not be a big deal to most people, but it is a big deal to me, and I'm in love with this mod. Costs about 18 bucks off eBay. Might be a little cheaper if you don't have to pay shipping, but I highly recommend it. Catch y'all later.